What town are we heading to, Rocio?
Santa Maria Ostuma.
It sounds so much prettier when she says it. Santa Maria
Ostuma.
Ostuma. We're heading to that place to do something we never get to do on vlogging trips. Usually we just come and we see the conditions in the country and we tell the stories and ask people online to help out, but we've been asked to help out because of Hurricane Ida. This town that we're heading to the roads are damaged and people aren't able to get electricity or water or groceries, so we're traveling to the city with some compassion staff in El Salvador, and we're going to carry water and groceries and do anything else that they want us to do to help them.
Project workers are telling me that there is a girl that is 5 years old and her house is just aluminum and on the roof, and then mud. The walls have the mud. So the water was so strong that it brought mud and stuff like that and turned down the walls. And the mother is just 15 days of giving birth, so they don't have a house right now. So we don't know what's going to happen with them.